Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're live inside. We are we're live inside West Track. West Track, share the live real quick. We're inside one of our main sponsors for DYFA. I want to thank West Track for always supporting DYFA throughout the year and making sure all the bills are paid. Thank you for doing that. Without West Track, honestly, we wouldn't have been in business. We wouldn't have been able to pay the bills that we have. So I want to right here personally thank West Track. We just did a commercials for West Track.
With the
I really
famous
want to, it was produced by Diana Castillo from West Track and myself, and then we have the host, which was the legendary living legend. We call him the famous famous. So what we will do right now, we will go over these commercials. We're doing it live like how we normally do it our way. We did it with a combination of me and famous. Uh, so so wait here. Let me see how we could tilt this camera a little bit, and then we will show you guys what we are doing. You have a chance to take a sneak peek of the commercial that we just completed. So here's LA Alba. Here we go. Here we go. So we're inside here. Famous. Let me just check out the slides so we can talk to you about what's happening here in West Track this morning on a beautiful Friday morning and in Kota Capital. I want to tell you, no, don't hear you. Wish again, sir. On Red West Track. Again, I find a fight. He made it. All right. Okay, good. We are. Let me just share this live very quick, and then, so you will see this. You will see this advertisement next week, Wednesday. Friday morning. All right. So again, let's let's do it for people. So it's a sneak peek of what's happening right inside West Track alongside Famous Amos. Yellow. Right. So come on, go Mr. Lole, bro. I mean, we have to do because I know you have some news. You have some news to the people.
Of course.
All right. We will go on. Okay. Come on, go Mr. Yetige, bro.
All right.
We're not waiting for we're not waiting for we outside again. Now, wait for the front.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not my front. So this is a sneak peek of this right here. And this is live action with the legendary, the living legend famous hero. All right. Diante bagume so dale barasero. Yep. Mama lote wili bo wili gwele. Diante bagume so yage.
Okay.
Come along.
Mabrigo, ni do him. She do go in with the famous. Where I be look, we should go fair home. Logo about only by look with him. Then look with Lanigo Fulasso. Ya, Tida West Track, ni do him. Lumo ye Wayne said the leader Frumeti Hati Le, Chililumo, Furumi, leader Biamahati. Yambe unabuti ebegi, logo agule, Sarago leader Yagile Leabe ni do him, no? Right? Unabu lebegi, Sarago leader Ilaguya. Yabe Hare daha leader lebegi Ilagu boyle ni do him, no? Leme liabi dan liye lon alugo le mabule de humoitia when said the leader frumeti hati chililumo frumie leader biama hati nugele famous na wisa hayando lo hachilago lo hareido senso lo leader dan le
This is again we are live inside on out because this is the spot to be at West Chap.
I got an next announcement.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, Phil.
And ladies and gentlemen, radio listeners, and our general audience, I have a grand announcement to make. The famous Amos show will be back soon.
Why? Why? So, the famous show will be back. So, whenever the little Lawrence or Amos.
Yeah, I'm just putting it together. I'm just putting it together. So look out for the famous Amos show, the big famous Amos show.
That's
Bigger this year.
bigger and brighter.
Bigger and brighter this year.
2025.
Yes, 2025 famous Amos show will be bigger and brighter. Mabuleda go humatia. La shila gwaya famous Amos loon. Lishugu ise bahari home hubi.
Yes, thank you very much, Paul Maximo. And this is what we do, Paul. I mean, this is all the parts. You don't need to go to the space. It's right here inside West Chap. We're doing it live and direct. If there's anything you want, right here in the store. No need to go over the border. With alongside 91.7 FM. Even music stuff is here. We have music stuff as well. Right? So be aware, ladies and gentlemen, you will see us around town alongside famous. And this is what we do. We showcase West Chap. Please not go shop nowhere else. They can't shop nowhere else.
Ano gidara ya luwaho paranda tao.
That's it. It's just like we never got nowhere, right? The famous always come in, you know, and he always come in and get his taste of. I might just have him as a guest on me and Charlie Marshall. Who knows?
Yes.
He might just flunks up.
Yes.
Flunks up anytime.
I like good surprises.
Right? So, this is all the product inside. Right now inside of West Chap. You know, you never know who you will meet inside of West Chap as well. You never know who you will meet. Is that? Hey, famous. Master Sheldon there.
Liget ya. Namule mabrige. Binaji. Da bangi ba.
Abutilia. From boy.
Big man. Abuti.
They're good at the way, bro. Boy, look at it.
Bidi lamu lanigi say room lebu Sheldon.
He always willing to help out, man.
The big boss.
Yes, I still want the football field. Football field no come. I still want a football field fix.
No come pick fight here no more.
No. All right, good.
All right, there we go. Boy, we get one commitment here. Live up to your word, you know.
So, famous, what else we got for sale today? No, from the 27th to the 1st of February.
27th to the 1st of February, yes. And yeah, we have sale on lubricant products, yeah, batteries,
Batteries,
and the struts.
Struts from McFadden.
Right, struts from McFadden. Yeah, we have sale on that as well. So come on in, guys, and save some money because you know how January stands.
What?
No, that's reality, man. You know, January stands.
How we call it?
Maga mon.
Bonus season.
Bonus season. Yeah, like a sunlo iga unifedurugu. Aha.
This is why West Chap Carway, you know.
Yes.
You gotta know we real.
Right. Exactly.
Right? So the 27th of January, West Chap want to help us with the MAGA season. They don't want you to be MAGA. They want you to gain some weight.
Exactly.
So save in your pocket. And we'll see you gain some weight, right? So
keep your wallet fat.
why? So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you the three main products. The batteries there. Batteries are expensive. I know Paul, the last time you want battery.
Yeah, the batteries then. Yes.
They are big items where you spend $500, you get 20% off.
20% off. Yes.
So 15. If you spend more than 500, you get
20.
Say if you spend 500 at $1, you get an extra 5% off. So it's 20%.
20% off.
Right? And we will be here that day too.
Yes.
we will definitely be here to showcase some of this thing, because these are unbelievable prices at restaurant. I know sometimes we complain, but hey, it is what it is. So, ayo,
And we want to thank Westruck for being very supportive to us as well. As a matter of fact, Westruck will be one of the main sponsors for the Famous show that will come up pretty
why?
soon.
Why?
I don't want to tell you the date yet, it'll be a surprise.
All right, we gotta go, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it locked on 91.7 FM. All right, ayo, see you later.
Ayo.
Ayo.
Marburger. All right,